Good morning. Let's have a look at Gbpusd. From the monthly time frame, we can see price has been respecting this trend line. There's a trend line had drawn. Price is respecting this trend line. It has tapped this trend line, and therefore we expect it to be going downwards from maybe 2022. You can see from here 2022 it's been going up. It's been an uptrend, but now it has reached this trend line, and this is the third tap. And normally, as we know, when it reaches and gets to the trend line by the third tap, you know it's going to take the downward trend or the upward trend respectively. So we should be looking for sales. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see price has formed more of a double top, and price has consolidated here this place for quite some time, and meaning that it's respecting this zone. And since from the monthly time frame we've seen it's supposed to be coming down, so we should be looking for sales. And we can be able to see, just a minute, there's this supply zone that price is respecting. You see, price was going up, but it was being rejected. We have these wicks here. It's being rejected. It's consolidating here. It's not going above this level, meaning it's respecting the region, and it should be going down. No? It should be going down. So there's this daily supply zone, but we've said here there's a big range. We need to refine it to smaller time frames. So if we go to the 4 hour, if we go to the 4 hour time frame, you see we have various demand zone. We have this one, the first one. We said how do we check our demand zone? By the last opposite candle that gives us a rally up or rally down. So here we are having a rally down, so the last opposite candle is the green candle. So we have this demand zone here, we have another one here, and then we have another one up here. From the daily time frame, we had seen all this. If I was to mark from the daily time frame, we see all this level is a supply zone. But when we refine to the 4 hour, we are able to reduce it to something at least manageable, something we can be able to see. Now, here we expect price to come back. You see, it formed a choke. We formed a choke, so you expect it to come back to the price that last price that enabled it to form the choke. So it can either come here or up here. And here can be a very good place because you also see that we have an imbalance. And the characteristics of a good order block is that at least it should also have it should also have liquidity, and it should have an imbalance. And here we can see it has both. So at least we expect price to come back here and react mostly from here, and then come downwards. Just a minute. From here, it can react from here backwards. That's one possibility. Or it can react from here, go backwards. That's another possibility. Or the last one, which is good, since we can see there's an imbalance, is this 4 hour supply zone. This one is a stronger supply zone. Here, if you enter, it will be a risky sell, and also here it can be a risky sell. But I think it can hold. It can hold, since from the monthly time frame we've seen prices coming down. But you also need to check how price reacts here, and also depending on the size of your account here. So because you can enter here, then it passes this zone and goes to the 4 hour supply zone. So ensure you're not in a drawdown, or ensure your account is big so that you're not kicked out. So let's wait and see how price reacts. Thank you.